If your headlights look cloudy, yellow, or dull, you are not alone. And no, you don't need to replace them yet. In Germany, where strict TÜV inspections demand crystal clear headlights for safety, drivers and mechanics have developed some surprisingly simple but extremely effective tricks to restore headlights fast. These methods focus on precision, surface preparation, and protection. In today's video, I will walk you through 9 German-inspired techniques that can make your foggy headlights pop like new again, often using tools you already have at home. Let's start with one of the simplest tricks. Trick number 1, the precision wet sanding method. In Germany, headlight restoration starts with controlled wet sanding instead of aggressive scrubbing. The goal is not to grind the plastic, but to gently remove the oxidized top layer that causes that cloudy look. German detailers typically begin with a fine 2000 grit sandpaper. The sanding is done evenly in one direction, keeping the surface constantly wet, which helps lift oxidation without damaging the lens. Once the surface looks consistent, switch to 3000 grit sandpaper and sand in the opposite direction to refine the surface. This step removes fine scratches and prepares the lens for polishing. This method works because headlight fogging is mostly surface-level UV damage, not deep plastic failure. When done correctly, the lens becomes evenly dull rather than patchy, which is exactly what you want before polishing. This step alone can remove up to 80% of the haze, and it is why German restorations look uniform instead of streaky or blotchy. Trick number 2, fine abrasive polish. Contrary to internet myths, German mechanics rarely rely on toothpaste for serious headlight restoration. Instead, they use a fine plastic or metal polishing compound designed to refine surfaces, not just clean them. After wet sanding, a small amount of polish is applied using a microfiber cloth or foam pad, working in slow, controlled circular motions. This step restores clarity by smoothing out microscopic scratches left behind by sanding. The key German principle here is patience. Rushing this step reduces transparency and leaves swirl marks. As you polish, the lens gradually shifts from dull to glossy, and the light transmission improves dramatically. This is the step where headlights begin to pop, because clarity returns in layers rather than all at once. Trick number 3, IPA wipe down for a factory clean finish. One lesser-known German trick is wiping the headlight with isopropyl alcohol, often abbreviated as IPA, after polishing. This removes any remaining oils, polish residue, or invisible contaminants that can dull the final result. German detailers do this because even a clean-looking headlight can still scatter light if residue is left behind. To perform an IPA wipe down, mix isopropyl alcohol and distilled water in a 1-to-1 ratio, or use pre-mixed automotive IPA cleaner. Lightly spray the solution onto a clean microfiber towel. Gently wipe the lens using straight strokes, flipping the towel to a dry side as needed. This step reveals the true clarity of the headlight and ensures the surface is chemically clean. German technicians rely on this method because sealants and ceramic coatings bond only to clean plastic. Skipping this step is one of the biggest reasons restorations fail prematurely. Trick number 4, UV sealing. In German automotive standards, restoring headlights without UV protection is considered unfinished work. Once oxidation is removed, the polycarbonate lens is exposed and extremely vulnerable to sunlight. To seal it properly, choose a headlight-specific UV sealant or ceramic coating. Apply the product using a foam applicator or microfiber pad in slow, even strokes, making sure the entire lens is covered uniformly. Allow the sealant to cure according to the product instructions, typically 12 to 24 hours without moisture exposure. During this time, avoid touching the lens or driving in rain. This UV barrier prevents yellowing, enhances gloss, and protects the lens from future oxidation. German restorations last longer because protection is treated as essential, not optional. Without UV sealing, fogging can return in weeks, even after perfect sanding and polishing. Trick number 5, heat reactivation technique. After polishing, German detailers use controlled heat to refine the headlight surface, but this is never rushed. They use a heat gun on a very low setting, keeping it constantly moving and never lingering in one spot. The heat gently smooths microscopic imperfections in the plastic, improving clarity and gloss without melting the lens. For this technique, start by making sure the headlight is completely clean and dry with no polish residue left behind. Use a heat gun on the lowest possible setting or a powerful hair dryer if you're a beginner. Hold the heat source about 8 to 12 inches away from the headlight and keep it moving constantly in smooth passes. Never stop in one spot because concentrated heat can warp or bubble the plastic. As you move the heat evenly, you will notice the surface becoming glossier and clearer almost instantly. Once the clarity improves, stop immediately and let the headlight cool naturally before applying any sealant. Trick number 6, cross-pattern sanding technique. German detailers don't sand randomly, they sand strategically. After the first sanding pass in one direction, they lightly sand again in a cross pattern using a finer grit. This technique ensures the surface becomes uniformly flat instead of developing directional grooves that scatter light. Headlights restored without cross-pattern sanding may look clear during the day, but perform poorly at night. German mechanics focus heavily on nighttime visibility because TUV inspections prioritize beam quality, not just appearance. This method ensures light exits the lens cleanly and evenly. It's a precision move that separates professional-level results from basic DIY jobs. Trick number 7, distilled water technique. This trick is simple but extremely effective. Instead of tap water, use distilled water for all wet sanding and final rinsing steps. Tap water contains minerals that can leave invisible residue on the plastic, affecting clarity and coating adhesion. Distilled water dries spot-free and leaves a neutral surface for polishing and sealing. So, fill a spray bottle with distilled water and keep it nearby during sanding. Wet the sandpaper and the headlight generously before every pass. After sanding and polishing, rinse the headlight again using distilled water only. Let the headlight air dry or gently dry it using a clean microfiber towel. German detailers do this because even microscopic mineral spots can scatter light at night. It's a small upgrade that gives noticeably cleaner results. Trick number 8, headlight alignment check after restoration. Once headlights are restored, German mechanics always verify alignment. Park your car on a level surface facing a wall or garage door about 25 feet away. Turn on the low beams and observe the beam pattern. The cutoff line should be level and slightly lower on the passenger side. If one beam points too high or too low, locate the headlight adjustment screws under the hood or behind the headlight housing. Make small adjustments while checking the wall until both beams are symmetrical. This step ensures clearer headlights don't accidentally blind other drivers or reduce your own road visibility. Many drivers skip this, but German road safety standards treat alignment as part of restoration. Trick number 9, maintenance wash technique. The final German trick is not about restoration, it's about prevention. German drivers avoid harsh detergents and automatic car washes that strip protective coatings. Instead, headlights are cleaned gently with pH-neutral car shampoo and soft microfiber towels. This preserves the UV seal and prevents micro scratches that cause light scattering. Some German enthusiasts even apply a light spray sealant every few months to reinforce protection. This routine keeps headlights clear year-round and helps them pass even the strictest inspections. It is proof that maintaining clarity is easier than restoring it over and over again. The bottom line of this video is, these German tricks work because they treat headlight restoration like engineering, not guesswork. When you remove oxidation carefully, refine the surface precisely, protect it properly, and test it thoroughly, the results speak for themselves. Follow these steps and your foggy headlights won't just look new, they will perform like new. If you found this guide helpful, hit like, subscribe for more smart car care secrets, and comment German fix if you want a full hands-on demo video next.